This is the third in a series of videos covering the first lecture of the Computer Fundamentals topic of the IES Information Technology course. This video discusses hexadecimal numbers and converting them into decimal. Hexadecimal is base 16. This means we need 16 digits. So rather than create new symbols, we use the letters A to F to represent the numbers 10 through to 15. So we use the digits 0 to 9 and then A to F. Just as in binary and decimal, the place values are the powers of the base, but with the base being 16, we find that 16 to the power 4 is 65,536, and so in general, hexadecimal numbers are shorter in terms of digits than decimal and binary numbers. So it's time to convert a number back into its decimal representation. Consider the hex number FEC35. Note the subscript 16 for hexadecimal. The place values are powers of 16, and as before, we start with 16 to the power 0 and increase the index as we move left. The decimal representation of each place value is shown in the video, and now we can convert this number into decimal. Starting on the right, we have 5 times 1, then 3 times 16, which is 48 for the second digit. The third hex digit is C, which represents the number 12. Therefore, the third digit represents 12 times 16 squared, 256, giving a total of 3072. The fourth hex digit is E, which represents the number 14, and the last is F, which maps to the number 15. Multiplying each of these by their place value gives the values shown, and all that is left to do is to add the place values together to find the decimal representation of this number, which is 1043509. This process is similar to the one we use to convert binary numbers to decimal, and so if you understood that process, this will be relatively simple. Now it's your turn. Try these. Pause the video as you do them, and the answers will be displayed one by one. Try again and ask if you are still struggling. The last video in this series will deal with converting a decimal number into hex.